So here you can see lymphatic system is made up of lymph vessels and lymph nodes. Lymph is this fluid, lymph vessels are like tubular structures, and lymph nodes are some masses of lymphatic tissues. When lymphatic tissues accumulate, like lymphatic tissues, when it will turn into a heavy mass, that will be known as lymph nodes. So lymph is a colorless fluid. It is lacking RBCs and platelets, but what it is having WBCs. It is having WBCs and a fluid which is known as lymph, and that lymph is rich in water, protein, enzymes and antibodies. Clear? Then functions of lymph you just go through. You can what is the function of WBC? It protects against germs, so that function will become the function of lymph also. Plasma helps in giving or supplying the nutrients, so that function will become the function of lymph also. So these functions are interchangeable here because of these components. Functions you just go through. Then lymph vessels are tube-like structures having thin walls, and they carry lymph all over the body. Then what happens? These lymph vessels carry lymph and bring into lymph node. These are lymph vessels and these are lymph nodes. What happens from the nodes? Some new fresh vessels will arise, and these vessels will take the fluid or the lymph to right atrium of the heart, from where it will again move into circulation, and again it will be leaked out to this tissue fluid. This way it will continue. Lymph node, I have told you, they are globular masses of lymphatic tissues. They are globular masses, globule form. Globule means something of this shape. They are globular. Mass means accumulation of lymphatic tissues. Tissue is a combination of cell. Where are lymph nodes present? You can see some dot-like structures here, green colored. So that are lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are important. They are present in head, neck, armpits, and groin. Clear? So in the next page you have the difference between lymph and blood. You just go through it. If you have any doubt, you can clarify. For now this chapter is complete. You can ask your doubts whenever you have them. Just go through the question answers. That will be your homework. And this assessment you don't do now. That will be covered later. Okay? Thank you.